fucking brother? No, your fucking brother.
You know my brother?
I do. Adam?
No.
Adam's
Ex-boyfriend.
boyfriend.
Okay, check this out.
Oh my
I know
god.
your brother, but I know your fucking brother. Your ex-brother's
Boyfriend. My
She's
ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
You know my
She's so
ex-boyfriend?
drunk.
I know your
She's
ex-boyfriend.
fucking-
I work with his brother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gotta pee, go
But
outside.
Molly? You know Molly?
Just kidding.
She keeps my car.
That dude's hot.
$15,000 car.
Shit, what kind of car do you have?
A 2007 Scion.
Ooh.
A Scion TC, a
Hey,
two-door
check this
little
out.
cross
I
country.
got a
Sexy.
fucking Chevy Cavalier.
Chevy's not that bad. Chevy rolls.
No,
you
Chevy
know?
is fucking.
Are you getting
top
all
shit.
of this?
It's pretty good.
I'm a fucking bitch. But you know what? My personality, I'm a fucking dude.
Facebook in the morning, bro. Like,
You're so cute, Julia. I love you.
Yeah, she's like, I'm a fucking dude.
No.
I'm a fucking
Hey,
dude.
this shit. This is like.
I'm
by
a chick, but
accident.
I'm a
This is by
dude.
accident.
I only look this good because.
Oh my god, you're fucking awesome.
I'm just fucking.
We're gonna. Are you 21?
Dude, yeah, I'm fucking
I
22.
turned 21 in 2 months.
I'm
You're gonna have to
23.
go with me to the club.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, we're
Okay,
going.
okay, check this
We're
out.
going.
I got a fucking daddy, dude.
You got a daddy? What the fuck
No,
is
it's
this?
my baby's daddy. I got
Oh,
me,
your baby's daddy.
We have a fucking 3-year-old little boy.
That's not bad.
He's sexy as fuck. He's here tonight, dude.
Who is he?
I'm
What's
a
his
fucking.
name?
You wanna come meet him?
After I go to the bathroom.
Okay, you go potty right now. Go.
After you guys leave. We're not gonna